Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So in this video, I'm going to do a review on the Balenciaga trainers, the Triple S's. I do love these. They're so nice to look at. And I just wanted to review these for those who aren't sure on whether to buy them or not. So these are the Balenciaga Triple S's. They are so nice. I love the colour. I went with this colour because I love the nude colour. I love nude. I love white and nude together as well, and these are white. And they have like nude lining at the sides, and they have a nude sole, which I love. And I also love the laces. You know, they just kind of pop. They don't do too much, but they do pop with like the black markings on there. In terms of sizing and fit, they are quite big. These are quite big. I would say maybe going a size down if you want to, because they do look big on your feet. I'm a size 6 and they look super duper big, but I didn't go a size down just because I felt like the size down for me would be a bit too tight. But I know some people do go a size down, a size lower. So if you can do that, then you know, always try on anyway. It's always good to try on, but if you're buying online, maybe just stick with your normal size. But these are a size 6, and as you can see, they look super big. They are really big, but they do fit well. They are quite snug, but they are super chunky. So I feel like when I'm walking, I feel a lot of weight on my feet. And I would say that's the only downfall about these trainers, because they do feel really heavy, and I don't drive in them. So I can't drive in these trainers just because I can't really I can't really feel the pedals that much, and I like to be able to feel the pedals when I'm driving. With these, it's like I'm pushing down too hard, and it's just not for me. So whenever I wear these, I make sure I don't drive. But fitting wise, yeah, so if you can, go size down. If not, just stick to your normal size. And yeah, comfortability, I would say that these are pretty comfortable. Besides feeling of them being quite heavy on your feet, they are pretty comfortable. They are quite snug. So yeah, they don't feel like, they don't dig into your feet. They don't dig into my feet. I think they're pretty snug, but they don't dig into my feet, and I don't feel to take them off after wearing them for a while. I could wear these trainers all day. So, you know, they are pretty comfortable. The quality is there. They are good quality. The soles feel nice and soft. When you put your feet in them, they do feel quite soft and secure. Going off detail, I love the detail on these trainers. It's very simple, minimal, but it's there, if you get what I mean. So I'll just do a quick 360. And what I love about Balenciaga, I feel like they're so different. They have like the sizing on the tip of the toe at the front here, which I think is pretty cool. It just makes the trainer stand out, and I really do just love these. The box that it came in, it's quite a big box. It's a big Balenciaga box, and it does come with spare laces, which is good, and it comes with a dust bag as well. So if you ever want to keep your trainers immaculate and you want to, you know, just store them, you have a dust bag here. Which is super cute, super nice. I love things like this. In terms of what I would wear with these trainers, I would probably I would probably wear jeans with them, like I'm wearing now. I'll do a little try on haul in a moment, but I wear jeans with these trainers, I wear leggings with these trainers, and that's about it. I wouldn't rock them with shorts, I wouldn't rock them with a dress. I would only rock them with jeans and leggings, but each to their own, that's just my preference. And since they are a white and nude colour, I like to wear something nude, so maybe a nude top or a brownie top like I'm wearing now. I think that really goes well with the whole aesthetic. So now I'm just going to do a little try on haul and get better angles of the trainers so you can get a better look. So as you can see, I am wearing, like I said, a brown top, just a plain black vest, my skinny jeans and my trainers. And they're so comfortable. They are so comfortable, but they're just so big, like they're heavy.